Hi, and welcome back. Today I will show you how the Good Governance Screener works. The Good Governance Screener helps you check your company policies by assessing their compliance with the social and governance standards laid out in the minimum safeguards of the EU taxonomy. The tool utilizes the minimum safeguards framework to check for gaps in your documents. This can help you stay compliant with regulations, such as the EU taxonomy and the minimum safeguards, of course, but because the minimum safeguards reference multiple international good governance and social frameworks, including the UN Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights and the International Bill of Human Rights. This can also be a great way to assess the robustness of a company's social and governance policies and practices, so that you know exactly what is missing from them and you are able to fill those gaps. In this video, I will show you how to make best use of the Good Governance Screener. More specifically, we will look into how to upload your documents and start an assessment, how to interpret and work with your results, and how to export your assessments. Let's dive in. To create a good governance assessment, you must first upload some documents. This is a necessary step because this tool is designed to analyze your actual documents, so it will not use public information or proxies to provide a score of your company. You can add a document from your files by hitting the big plus button here or dragging and dropping a new document. If this is not your first time using Briink, you will see the documents you have already uploaded down below. If this is your first time uploading a document, you will need to wait for your document to finish processing before being able to initiate a chat or an assessment. Make sure to only upload multiple documents that pertain to the same company. This is very important as running an assessment on multiple companies might lead to hallucinations and misleading outputs. Finally, it's important to note that you can always add more documents to an existing assessment. However, this will cause the whole assessment to be regenerated. A new version updated with the information contained in the new documents will be created. Once you have collected all of the documents that include the relevant policies, you can finally run your assessment. Click on Start Assessment to proceed. That's basically it. The screener is generating an assessment based on info provided in the document. This might take some time, so check back in a few minutes. Okay, the assessment has now been completed. It will appear in a matrix format where each row is associated with one of the 4 core topics or pillars of the minimum safeguards. You will find more information about each topic by simply clicking on the topic name. Each column represents a specific criterion that needs to be satisfied under each topic. You can find more information about each criterion by simply hovering on them. Each criterion comprises of several sub-criteria, all of which must be satisfied for the overarching criterion to be fulfilled. This is why your assessment result will return each criterion as either completely satisfied, not satisfied, or partially satisfied. To check which sub-criteria are satisfied, simply click on the symbols on the matrix at the intersection with a topic and a given criterion, or on the little arrows under each topic. Each header represents a sub-criterion, while the text below is generated based on information extracted from your documents. To check the exact sources of this result in your documents, click on the page number next to the generated text. You can also use this as evidence for reporting purposes. As a last step, you can export your assessment in full in a CSV or XLS format. The exported document will contain all the relevant information that you have extracted, such as the main topic, the subtopic, the requirements associated with each subtopic, the evidence, and the overall rating associated with each criterion. Great. That was a super quick intro to the Good Governance Screener. If you have other questions or feel a bit lost, you can always reach out for support. We're more than happy to help you. And of course, you can always come back to this video.